And we thought Thomas's actual reboot design was inaccurate. Once again, Gordon is way too big. Ugh, we thought the bouncing in Blubba was bad. Ooh, look, Cranky. I hate to say it, but I actually like the design of the sheds here. Okay, we really dodged a bullet with this. I hate to say it, but this piece of garbage is better than this piece of garbage. You know, we can learn a valuable lesson from this. That sometimes Mattel does make good decisions sometimes. Before I go, I just want to thank all of you for 100 subscribers. Wow. I know it's not a big number in terms of YouTube, but for me it's really big. Wow. You know, I was getting so many subscribers. I just decided, you know what? I won't do subscriber specials every 10 subscribers. I'll do subscriber specials every 20 subscribers. Then the next day, I got 100 subscribers. Wow, I just grew so fast. So, yeah. I don't, I, I don't want to sound corny or anything, but I couldn't have done this without you. Yes, I do sound like every other YouTuber in existence. So, yeah. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers.